watching Monster B, and today, well, I got me a truck. So, needs to be fixed though. So I guess this is part one of trying to get it fixed though. It runs. Just need to, oh, hello cat. Hi. Shut up, stupid geese. That's enough. You're gonna have to get off my truck, you know? It's just a phone. But I need to connect a battery. I want to see if I can get it on the driver's side. Hey, I have the keys right here for it. I don't think there's enough clearance because, I mean, look at how icy it is right there. I could slip. All right. Let's just go on this side then. Climb over it. And there went the mirror. I just woke up. I can't do this. All right. Oh, man. There we go. And just in case if you guys aren't aware, I did move. I'll just tell you where I moved from. I moved from southern Arizona, Tucson, to freaking northwestern Montana. Big change. But, yeah. But now I have more freedom. Look at this. This is a 1992 Ford F-150 XLT. Oh, man. And it is the middle of April now. And there's still ice or snow, whatever you want to call it, on the ground. Nice. Now I just need to connect the battery. Oh, it's nicey. Let's go in like that. Here's the other side. Go in like that. Should be good for now. And this is just a test start. Making sure. I mean, it runs, but the last time we started it was when we first moved up here in July. So let's get it. As you can see, there isn't a tachometer, so I can't tell what RPMs it's idling at. But wow, what do you think, cat? Okay. So nice. Had a rough time starting out, but not bad. Fuel is full. Ooh, battery level's kind of low though. Coolant is cold because it hasn't ran for many months. Oil level is normal range. Okay, not bad. That's nice. Let's check it. Oh man, why is it smoking? Not bad. Quite loud. There's quite a bit of smoke. Huh. It's gonna be bad though. Alright, I think we can kill it now. Let's hear the rev. Not bad. Alright. To wind down. So now to tell you the things that are wrong with this. It's shifting weird. I would show you right now, but no one is home, and I don't think they would like that. Second of all, we're thinking it's probably the transfer case or the shift solenoid. The previous owner said it was stuck in off-road and low range, I want to say. And we took it for a test drive, and right off the bat, when you would shift it into drive, it would go boom, 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 boom. And we know it's not supposed to do that. And we took it down the driveway. Sounds like, oh, it didn't sound like anything. It sounded fine, but the shifting was awful. My grandfather had checked the transmission itself. There's no like gear shavings in the bottom of it, like the, what would you call it, fluid pan, I guess, I don't know, but there was no like shavings or anything, and the gears looked fine from what he could see. But just, I don't think the one thing he didn't check was the transfer case or the shift solenoid. But this is pretty much like part 0.5 of the journey of trying to get this truck fixed. Yeah. We'll see you guys next time.